Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've created a brand new project share and I can't wait to show you. Welcome back friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. I did use my Choice Folio class design for this. Totally going for the Avatar: The Way of Water new movie release. Are you going to watch it? And the paper I used is from the Paper Studio. Hobby Lobby paper, Stargazer. If you are new here, I love designing handmade scrapbooks, and if you've never created one, you could totally try my free tutorial right up here. We make these from scratch and they are unbelievably fun. Oh my goodness, I have some stickers from Hobby Lobby and I added some awesome cute little feathers down here. I got some iridescent paper. I strung some beads on this awesome baker's twine and wrapped it around this cute little frame I made right here on the front. I did use my printer to print this out, fussy cut around them, and stuck them on some dimensional foam tape. As you can see, they're kind of popped up right there. And the main characters right there on the front. Oh my goodness. I have some textured leathery paper right there to kind of give off this Native American galactic vibe that I was shooting for. I could totally see myself coming back and putting a really nice tassel right here on the spine. So here's the back. And oh my goodness, it came together in just one day. And because there is no Avatar style paper out there, I tried my best to kind of match this theme. So right here on the front and side cover, we have a wonderful frame. And I did pop the orange out. If you do put some photographs on here, you will just be matted by the orange. So you could stick your picture right inside there and slide it right back in. Again, I couldn't help but go along with my chalk marker here. I noticed the designs on their skin, so I decided to kind of create a line with that. I found some images online and I fussy cut those as well. So this left panel slides down and pulls this way. And we got a cute little butterfly right there. And awesome little photo spots down here. And now this metallic base colored blue paper is just a trip because I couldn't get over it. When I saw it at Hobby Lobby, I was like, I totally need to get that. So that little photo mat completely comes off. And again, we have some more photo space up here as well. So these two flaps open up. One of the easiest designs that I've ever created right here. And you can learn on YouTube. It's so much fun. And that just slides right back. Right here I have like a file folder style pocket and a cute little tag and some awesome leathery paper in the shape of some leaves. And again, I added some baker's twine on the top of there and strung some beads. I did use my crocodile to do that little eyelid in there. If you guys have created scrapbooks before, oh my goodness, this is one that you can do. Little mini albums, little folios, so much fun. Isn't that paper just a complete party? And this is an active belly band as well, so you can shove some more memorabilia inside there. This opens up like this, and we have some more picture space. I couldn't really think of what to do here, so I think just the family pictures or cosplay, whatever it is, you could totally add it. This is a removable little magnet, and I hid that right underneath there. And that just gets placed right back on here. And when you're ready, you can just unflap it and open it up. Super cute. In love. We have some pockets right here on the side. Look at that shiny paper. That is just out of this world. I love it so much. And this is just another magnetic closure right there. And I show you how to add those magnets in there. And another pocket right here. We got some cool Avatar style plants going on right here. And I wanted to add butterflies just to kind of give more of a nature-y theme. And I cut that nice iridescent paper at an angle right there in the bottom left corner. And oh my goodness, this was one of the funnest books ever. Again, I will be leaving the tutorial link right here. And I had so much fun. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I hope you have a brilliant day. I'll see you next time. Bye.